Welcome back. Now we talk about soft and hard links in the Linux. So what is this soft and hard links and why we need to use it? Basically, in the Linux file system, a link is a connection between a file name and the actual data on the disk, which means very simple example I can take. For example, whenever we install any application inside our Windows machine, so it will ask after installation is completed, it will ask whether to create a shortcut on the desktop. The icon will be created on the desktop. So what is the purpose of it? It's an easy shortcut to access the data. So whenever we click on that icon on the desktop, then we can open that application and we can able to use it. It doesn't mean that the actual application data is on the desktop. Even though if we delete that icon also, application will not get deleted. Still we can able to access some other way. So why we are creating this icon on the desktop? Just because a shortcut for easily accessing. The same way here also, your data is somewhere else, but for easy purpose, if you want to access it, then you can create a link to the actual data so that whatever the link you created, to that link you can able to access the data. So to create these links in Linux, we have two types. One is soft links and another one is hard link. So what is soft link? Soft link, a symbolic link, also termed as a soft link, is special kind of file that points to another file, much like a shortcut to Windows. So same way, actual data is in some other location and you can create link to the data in different location so that you can go and access it, and backend it will point to the actual data. The link will be removed if original file is removed or deleted. So whatever the link we create, the link will be get removed if you delete the original data, original file from the destination location. So that is a disadvantage in the soft link. And in the hard link, the concept is same, but only difference with the soft link is the data will not get deleted in the source. So even though if you remove the link or remove the original data, the link file will not get deleted. So let's go and see how we can do this. So the command which we are going to execute for creating the link is ln command. So to create soft link, we use ln-s and the source file and the destination file. And for hard link, we don't use -s and the remaining is same, ln source file and the destination file. So let's go and connect to the Ubuntu machine and practice this. So right now I'm connected to this Ubuntu machine. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create some directories. So here I'll create make directory -p. I'm going to use it so that it is going to create subdirectories. So directory 1 slash directory 2 slash directory 3 slash directory 4. So assume that we have a very lengthy path. Assume this is our application and it is lot of directories are available inside one directory. Like that, the original data is somewhere located inside this location. So I'm going to this directory now. So directory 3, directory 4. So now in this location, I'm going to create a file. So I'm going to create a file touch and I'm going to create file name called soft file. So first we'll discuss about the soft link and then we'll go to the hard link. So I'm going to create a file and in this file I'm going to add some data. Now with the cat command I'm going to add some data, cat soft file, and then so here I'm going to write something. This is soft link. So this is what I'm writing it and control C come out, and if you see soft link, if you see the soft file, whatever we have written, it is available. Okay, this is a normal file. Now we want soft link. So always I don't want to go to that particular location. So whenever we connect to the machine, by default user connects, default he will be in his home directory. So I'll go when I click when I use cd command, automatically I'll go to my default home location, whatever user account it may be. If you are logged in as a normal user, if you are using a normal user account, then if you use cd, then in whichever path you are, directly you'll go to the your home directory. So now in this my home directory, I want some file so that I can go and able to access whatever the file which are available inside this location. Always I don't want to go to directory 1, directory 2, directory 3, very lengthy path. So I could able to access from my local. So now what I'm going to do, So wherever you want to create this soft link, so there what you need to do, you should go to that path and use ln command -s, and here you need to give the full path of that source. So this is the source. So now I'm going to use, so slash root, wherever the path is, slash root slash dir1 and dir2 and dir3 and dir4 and then the file name soft file. So now this is the path of the file. Now in your current working directory under the root home directory, you want to create a soft link. So now you need to provide a file name. So the file name which you are going to give here, it can be anything. You can give any file name. It is not available by default, so it is going to create now. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a name called soft link file. This is the name I'm giving. Okay, so hit enter. The file has been created. If you see ls-ltr, if you see here soft link file. Okay, so this way you can able to see, and already the size is 34 KB and it's pointing to this location. And if you open this file, cat soft link file, whatever the information is available, it is visible here. Let me clear the screen. So now what I'm going to do, from here also, from the destination also, I can able to write something inside this file which will be updated this file also. So now again cat double greater than symbol to append the data. So soft link file, and then what I'm going to do, this is testing soft link. Now again I'll do Control C, and then if I check soft link file, so whatever I updated, it is visible here. And now I'll go to the source root dir1 and dir2 and dir3 dir4, and inside this if I open soft file, same it has been updated. So whatever is updated in the destination, same has been updated in the source also. Soft file, soft link file. So which means here whatever the data is there, here also it will be updated, and if you write anything here, here also it will be updated. But basically whenever, why we created this file, just because to access this file, so always I don't want to go to this lengthy path, so that's why we created a link, and then we can able to go and access it. The same thing we can do it for the directories also. Let's say in the same location, in the dir1 dir2 dir3 dir4, I'll create a directory mkdir soft dir. Okay, so soft dir, inside that soft dir I will create some files. Okay, touch file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4. So I created some files. Now I want to access this directory. So to access this directory, always we should go to cd dir1 dir2 dir3 till here, and then I can able to access. Instead of that, we can able to use this soft link to access it from our root local account or normal user local account, wherever, like whichever user you are using the data, you can use that. So now what I am going to do, I am going to create a soft link for this soft dir directory. Previously we practiced for file. So this file whatever we created, and we can able to access it from the soft link. Now I'll clear the screen. I'll go to root home directory. Now here, from sitting here, I want to access that. So what I can do, same ln-s slash root slash dir1 and dir2 and dir3 and dir4 and soft link. Okay, soft. So what is that? This is a soft directory, and then here I want to give a name. Okay, so soft dir, this is the name I'm giving, and dir link, this is the name I'm giving here. So it's provided. Now if you see here, soft dir link. So here if you see, if you go soft dir, now if I access this, same files I can able to access. So right now where I am inside this soft dir link which is under the root. But where is the actual data? Here under the slash root slash dir slash dir2 slash dir3. This way, instead of you are going always here, you can able to access from this local also. And you can see the file type here, LL means it's a soft link. So this is how you can able to access. But as I said, the disadvantage is whenever you remove the source data, means this file, then automatically this will be removed from the destination. So we'll see now. So now I'll go back to the source path cd slash root slash dir dir1 dir2 and dir3 and dir4. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this soft link. Okay, soft file. So now I removed this file. Now if I go to my home directory and if I see, if you see, this is red color now. Previously it was in the blue color. Now it is in the red color. Now if I open this file, soft link file, it's not able to open because when the original file is deleted, this link file is also got deleted. But still, why it is showing here? Still the link is available, so that's why it is showing. So if you remove the link, okay, then it will be deleted. Now you can check. Okay, now if you see, there is no link, so that's why this file is not showing. Okay, so that's the because of the link. Still this file is visible here, but we cannot able to access it because there is it's saying no such file or directory. So once I executed unlink and this file name, then there is a link has been breaked and you cannot able to see this file anymore. So still this is available. Why? Because we did not remove this directory. Okay. So now in the next video, we'll talk about the hard link. Bye for now.